We're abusing our password field. It temporarily stores the plain text submitted password and then later stores the encoded version. This is a bad idea. What if we forget to encode a user's password? The plain text password would be saved to the database instead of throwing an error. And storing plain text passwords is definitely against the Jedi code. Instead, create a new property on the user entity called plain password. Let's also add the getter and setter method for it. This property is just like the others, except that it's not actually persisted to the database. It exists just as a temporary place to store data. Find the erase credentials method and clear out the plain password field. This method isn't really important, but it's called during the authentication process, and its purpose is to make sure your user doesn't have any sensitive data on it. Now update the form code, changing the field name from password to plain password. Also, don't forget to update the template. Now when the form submits, the plain password is populated on the user. Use it to set the real encoded password property. Let's try it out. I'll register as a new user and then try to log in. Once again, things are working perfectly.